And this is two straps of 6 by, as long as you have 6 centimeter, and this is length, and this is also same 6 by 6 centimeter in broad and long as you have, means around 50 or 60 lengthy, like this. And this is 5 centimeter by 10.5 centimeter, three colors and four squares of 12.5 centimeter and one 10.5 centimeter by 10.5 centimeter. We will stitch, first we will stitch like this strap with this, overlap it and sew here, same here, overlap and stitch 6 and 6, and length is 50 or 60. I stitch it together like this. Mark at every inch. Mark every inch, 2, 2, 2 and 2, and then like this. इनको निकाल दिया है और ये हमारे पास हो गए हैं 2 3 4 5 6 7. Basically we need 8. I will make one more and then stitch like this. इस लाइन को ओवरलैप करेंगे और इनको स्टिच करेंगे. Stitch here and same here. These four like this. Then we will take this 12.5 centimeter by 12.5 centimeter, and this is the same. These are both same, and stitch cross in cross, corner to corner. Draw the line. Same here, and at this cross we will stitch. And second, green and red, same like this. Same like this we will stitch here. After stitching, I cut like this, and this is look like. Now we will combine it like this, and this is like this. All fours are like same like this. I will stitch. After stitching, this is like this. Same, same and same. Now we have to take this 10.5 by 10.5 centimeter square and put it here like this. All green, align with it. Same here, align with it, and this is align with it. This is done, and this is same to put here. This here and here. Now place, overlap it, stitch here and then here, stitch stitch, stitch, stitching here, and then same hole like this. I will stitch and show you. तो फ्रेंड्स ये है इसका फाइनल लुक, आप देख सकते हैं, और ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट बन गया है। ऐसे आप मल्टीपल बनाकर इससे आप किट बना सकते हैं, पिलो कवर, कुशन कवर, एज यू विश what you want to make it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and design and more designing to learn with Shazi talent, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe must. Thanks for watching.